What's up, guys? Today I have a big unboxing from a trade, 5-star-fingerboard5. So, yeah, here it is. It's freaking huge. Get into this. It's like opening a Christmas present. Oh, jumper. So, good wrapping job, Parker, just saying. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Now the good stuff comes out. There we go. It's empty. Sweet. So I got my Affliction K-Deck. He sent this as an extra with, I think he said they were nollie wheels, non-bearing. And I got some kingpins and pivot cups. And a whole bunch of stickers. So that's pretty sweet. And the thing that I traded him mostly for was the FSS spine right here. Really smooth. It's got some stickers on it. Built really tough and strong. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry it took so long for me to unbox it, but anyways, yeah, the K-Deck's really nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. He gave me some wide tune chucks as well. It came with the thing here. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and you'll hopefully see a mini soon on this thing. So, talk to you later.